Hi, this is Nandini Krishnamurthi again. Welcome back to my channel called Knowledge with Nandini. Today we will talk a little about ergonomics in CSSD. This is one of my favorite topics where we look after staff safety and health by ergonomics. If you haven't heard the term, learn it now. Ergonomics is the interaction between humans and equipment or environment. It uses methods which take care of human well-being as well as their performance. It looks after their occupational health, safety as well as productivity. So, it is necessary to design safe furniture and simple to operate equipment. Ergonomic design is necessary to prevent strain injuries and and other musculoskeletal disorders, also called MSD, which can develop over time and lead to long-term disability. Ergonomics is fitting the job to the worker. When there is a mismatch between the physical requirements of the job and the physical capacity of the worker, work-related or musculoskeletal disorders can result. Today we are speaking only of physical hazards. We can take up chemical and biological hazards in another video. For example, height, depth and design of the packing tables, which are also called workstation or workbenches, then the receiving and the issuing counters, then the shelves, impact the occupational health and safety of staff. Workbenches and chairs must be height adjustable, allowing staff to adjust to the right position when sitting or standing as they feel comfortable. Pain in the back, hands or arms can be caused by standing for long periods of time, bending over sinks, or poor workstation and computer design setup. Therefore, all material to be used in that particular area, like washing area, packing area, or sterile storage area, should be available in that area itself. More importantly, it should be easily accessible without much bending or stretching, which could lead to injuries. Workstations should be designed so that packaging and equipment can be reached while maintaining the elbows close to the body, means no stretching. A picture is given. This is because repetitive, prolonged reaching, like when sorting sterilized packages or lifting above shoulder height to reach high shelves, leads to strain. Minimize overhead activity. Try to keep shelves up to shoulder level, or then for higher shelves you need a step ladder. A picture is given here. Secondly, stiffness can occur from continuously standing in one position while sorting instruments. All the employees should be provided with a sit, stand, stool or chair and encouraged to use it. To prevent strain from standing, anti-fatigue mats can be used. These help persons who stand for long hours. They are ergonomically designed and made of several layers of cushioning material, which causes micro movements and promotes blood flow in the employees. It saves the feet from the cold, hard floor and insulates them from vibration, moisture and sound of the floor. The thing which can be carried out to prevent stiffness from standing long hours is to provide well-fitting shoes with cushioned insteps and soles. These should be covered from the front to avoid injuries due to accidental dropping of instruments. Thirdly, if the employee rests his wrist or any part of forearm on a hard surface or which has sharp surfaces, trauma injury will occur. Pad the edge of work surfaces like packing tables which come into contact with the elbow, or then you can design a table with smooth round edges. The trolley should have large low resistance wheels so they are easy to push or pull, and these should move over all types of flooring smoothly. They should also move in the gaps between the elevators and passages. Weight of the set should not be more than 10 to 12 kilos. This is also as per guidelines for proper sterilization. I would say don't go up to 12 kilos. Try to design all your sets for 10 kilos for good sterilization as well as to save your back. The floor should be dry at all times. If not, use non-skid mats. Also, train the staff to handle sharp instruments with care to prevent sharp injuries. The most important is to rotate staff to avoid repetitive tasks. I will share a small experience from my early days. I joined Hinduja as a youngster, but I was made head of department because very few people knew about the CSSD then, 40 years back. One of my first tasks was to remove the person in the glove section and move him to another section, as he had been inhaling the powder from the glove powdering machine for many months. Imagine the effect on his health. Later, we got rid of the glove section itself. No reprocessing of gloves, but that's another story. The CSSD should be a pleasant place so that people working here are cheerful and happy. It is very important that people are happy. If anyone asks you, if you're a CSSD technician, how are you? Don't say fine, thank you. Say happy, happy. How are you? Happy, happy. I will end on that happy note. Thank you.